Hi everyone, we are at ERG International, but we're actually with Unika Vaev here, and we're literally at the Pinnacle. We're going to explain that in a second, but I'd love for you guys to meet Wick and Scott. Tell us about Unika Vaev.
Well, Unika Vaev was founded in 1975, primarily as a textile company. And over the years, we have expanded our textiles to include an acoustic division. And so we've been in the acoustic business now for about 11 years. The reason we're with ERG is we are an ERG graded in partner, and they've always been a very close associate of ours in this business.
Wonderful. Looks like a great collaboration. Tell us about Pinnacle.
We're very excited about it. Working with Gensler's product design group, we gave them a design brief, and we knew that our Wilson Art collaboration was coming up, our licensing Wilson Art. And so we asked them to help with a product that would take Unika Vaev and maintain our high level in the industry. We have some products that nobody else can touch, and so we wanted to add another product to do that. And Pinnacle is the result of it. It's basically a one-year collaboration. It has incredible acoustic performance. It has a tremendous amount of ability to be changed graphically. It is very architectural compared to a lot of the product with our competitors, which is decorative. This is architectural.
Okay, so I read the brief you guys sent me, and this phrase stood out, that it revolutionizes spatial dynamics by altering perception. I want to hear what that means.
When people start to walk by and they get a glimpse of that,
Yeah.
you know, they'll stop, they'll do double takes, they'll back up. It causes you to interact with it. That's what's great about it. It's using lenticular graphics, and in fact, a lot of people that have seen it in just photographic form are shocked when they see that it's actually these two dimensions. Where I'm standing, I only see the skateboarder. Where you're standing, pretty much wood.
Right.
It looks like the wood grain.
Looks like wood.
It can be photo and photo, it can be wood and wood, wood and stone. Since we were partnering with ERG, they used this Wilson Art laminate and used it so it matched what they were doing in their room. This is very durable, it has a high impact, it has great acoustic value.
So it's an acoustical material, actually,
Yeah.
on the surface.
The whole thing is acoustic. Because these are each hollow, it has a very high acoustic rating, even down at 300 decibels. It's very easy to install, can install on a lot of surfaces. We're very proud of it. It's an exciting product. It's gotten great reviews here, and we're excited to get it out in the market.
Tell me about the sustainability story. I always have to ask.
It's a very sustainable product. The material that it's on is bronze cradle to cradle.
That's a tough certification to get.
Yeah.
It took a long time to achieve that, but we did achieve it. It meets all standards, red list free. I mean, you know, we're cradle to cradle. Once you've achieved cradle to cradle, you've checked all the boxes, really.
It's a hard surface, but it's porous, so that's why it works acoustically.
When we gave this design brief to Gensler, we gave them very specific ideas about the usability of it, where we wanted it to be able to go into. We believe that hospitality is a vastly underserved market in the acoustic area. Educational, institutional, it checks all the boxes in terms of cleanability and sustainability, and the idea that a designer can now, or a company, an end user can now take and brand it the way they want their message to read, whether it's an image, whether it's a logo, whether it's a custom finish that somebody has, or whether it's using one of the Wilson Art finishes. And very easy to install, very simple to install. It's shipped in a kit format, so basically you're taking your kits and you're just installing them with, you know, adhesive or pin nails, and this is the achievement. Yeah. And when Gensler designed this, that was their intent. What they said to us was, we understand what you want, and we believe that this allows your client to really create an active display that doesn't fight with the design intent.
Tell me about the craftsmanship here.
We're so proud of it because one of the things that Unika Vaev does, I think, better than any of our competition is the fit and finish of our product. These come together, nice fit, clean all the way up, uniform. But what's really great is the joinery we did up here where we transition from the vertical to the horizontal. And you look at that, and I'll put that joinery up against any cabinet work at all.
Yeah, we're not interested in developing product that is mundane. If you look at the Unika Vaev collection, it is a very extensive, wide array of finishes and uses, and this really is the pinnacle of that, I would say.
Unika Vaev always wants to stay at the high, you know, we want the high ground.
In my 30-year career, I've worked with Unika Vaev often, and my number one word for you all is innovative. You've always been at the forefront. So, wonderful
Great.
work.